She's started getting the hiccups pretty much every time she takes a bottle now. Usually kind of ends the feeding session. Oh.
Also makes it really hard to hold her passy in by herself. She appreciates a little help.
The tongue come out every time she hiccups.
Yep.
She's still going?
A little bit. I think they might be winding. Oh. There was one. At least they don't upset her.
No.
So they don't upset her. She's also started noticing high contrast in lights and darks. So the ceiling is starting to become fascinating. Are they almost gone? Are they going to leave you alone? Soon.
She's not getting quite the extent of the coma-like state after she eats anymore, but she's still much calmer than she was.
Yep.
Even though we'll put her in her swing a few times. She thought about sleeping by herself last night. Decided she still didn't really like it.
She did it for an hour.
But did a lot better than she was before. So.
She also slept a 4-hour stretch. Mama had to wake her up to eat in the middle of the night.
And then she didn't take a full bottle.
That's true.
We're working on putting down as much as she'll take. Are you done with the hiccups? Whoop, almost. Alright. Bye-bye, little girl.